Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G502 X Plus. In this video I'll show you where is the adapter spot. The Logitech G502 X Plus has hidden spot for adapter in case you are traveling with your mouse. You can hide your adapter at the bottom of the mouse. Simply press here to remove this cover, and now you can place adapter here. Don't forget to close it, and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.